I'm Polly Bath, and I travel the country helping schools around behavior so we can have great school days, improve academics, and all that stuff that we want to do. So today I'm going to answer a question that's based on a middle school. And here it is. When I used to teach elementary, I thought morning meeting was a really helpful part of the day. I agree. Now my new job as a middle school teacher, I wonder, would morning meeting help here too? Or is advisory better for older kids? That's a great question. You know, here's my thought. Morning meeting is designed to connect, to like take a temperature check, if you will. You come in the morning, you're fresh off the bus. We don't know if you had, Fruit Loops or, a full course breakfast. And we're like, how you feeling today? How's things going? Say hi to your neighbor. I don't think morning meeting needs to be as structured as we tend to make it, where we have this happens, then we have a game, then we have this. Those are great ideas, but I think it can be a lot more laid back and a little bit looser. Just conversation, checking in with one another, getting kids to understand that, hey, they have something in common with the person who's sitting across from them, or whatever it may be. Morning meeting can be putting a short video on and we discuss it. It can be just putting a picture up on the wall and saying, guys, what do you think of this picture? Maybe it's a quote, because by middle school, you can start to understand, what does that quote mean to me? So you can have a whole lot of fun with morning meeting. Do I think it belongs in middle school? I think it belongs in every classroom all day. If you've got 5 or 6 periods a day and kids are changing from class to class, the first 5 minutes of your day really can start with morning meeting, even if it's 2 in the afternoon. So all you're doing is having that touch base. How's it going? How did lunch go today? Getting people ready to kind of get into your class. As far as advisory is concerned, advisory is often something that we chunk into the middle of a middle school day or midway through the morning or whatever your schedule allows. But advisory was designed to be this place where we would have structured events going on around social emotional learning. And oftentimes what I see is it turns into kind of a homeroom where kids are, kind of doing homework, talking with one another, checking their messages or whatever, which isn't the best use of advisory. So it doesn't need to be overstructured, but it has to have some sort of structure. So the difference with advisory that I see is that we could have themes going on, like this month's theme is going to be X, Y, and Z, respect, responsibility, problem solving, dealing with disappointment. And we could, actually create some sort of document where we all share with one another, hey, here's some activities, here's some reading, here's some videos around kind of our theme. That would be a really great way to do advisory. So advisory, a little more structure, morning meeting, just to check in, how you doing, have a great day type of thing. And I think they're useful right through every grade. But middle school, we especially need that. Because remember, middle school is about affective skills. It's not junior high. So if we're in real middle school, we're going to make sure we're putting that stuff in there. Thanks for watching today. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in future videos, put those in the comments below.